Hello students, so your question is, if the volume of an object is 100 milliliter, then it is equivalent to, first option is 10 liter and second option is 100 liter, third option is 0.1 liter and our last option is none of these. So to find out the volume of any object, we will use our formula that gives us 1 liter, we have 1000 milliliters. Okay students, so students, as you all know that normally liter is used when we have to calculate the volume of any object which is more than 1 liter, and whenever it will be smaller than 1 liter, then milliliter will be used to calculate its volume. So students, here we will use the formula 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So how much volume we will have if we have to calculate 100 milliliter? Okay students, we have to convert here milliliter into liters. For this we will use 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter formula. So according to it, we have to divide 100 by 1000. Okay students, and after this division we will get students 0.1 liter. So the correct answer of this option will be students our C option, that is 0.1 liter. So if the volume of an object is 100 milliliter, then it will be equivalent to 0.1 liters. Okay students, so I hope students this explanation is clear to you. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.